To everyone. First of all, happy Dashera to all of you. In the last few days, I could not upload any video properly. So from today, I will be uploading all the recommended topic that are recommended by all of you. Okay. So topic is our MCQs on Advocates Act. Okay. MCQs on Advocates Act. As you all know that from professional ethics. Okay. Professional ethics portion, maximum 4 marks are asked. Okay, so this is very important, this is very important portion for our preparation. Okay, all India bar examination 2019 में जो होने वाला है, so this is very important topic. And I think this advocate act is not so very complicated because all the provisions sections are very limited. At the same time, all the your direct language is also very simple. So without any further delay, let's start today's session. Okay, today's first question is our which section of Advocates Act 1961 provides power to Bar Council of India to make rules. Okay, so that means question क्या है, एडवोकेट एक्ट में कौन सा सेक्शन बीसीआई जैसे हम लोग का जितना भी गाइडलाइंस रूल्स रेगुलेशन बनाता है, जैसे हम लोग का AIB 19 में कितना रूल्स रेगुलेशन बार काउंसिल में दिया ना ऑफिशियली, सो इन सभी का पावर किस सेक्शन में दिया गया है. So this is as per section 28 of the Advocates Act 1961. So that means BCI as per section 28 of the Advocates Act provides all the rules regulations. Okay, officially notifies all the rules regulations guidelines to us. Okay, so this is very important question. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन क्योंकि बीसीए जितना भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन गाइडलाइंस हम लोग के लिए पब्लिश करता है, सो दिस पावर इज वेस्टेड एज पर द सेक्शन 28 of the Advocates Act 1961. Okay, so in this case, option B would be the correct answer, isn't it? So now moving to next question. So this question is very important. Okay, now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच सेक्शन ऑफ द एडवोकेट्स एक्ट 1961 डील्स विद द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ लीगल एड कमिटी. ओके, लीगल एड कमिटी दैट मीन्स जो हम लोग का एडवोकेट्स एक्ट 1961 में कमिटी होता है, फॉर्म होता है लीगल एड के लिए. ठीक है, सो दिस प्रोविजन एज गिवन एज पर सेक्शन 9A of the Advocates Act 1961. Okay, so in this case, what will happen? In this case, option B would be the correct answer. Okay, option B would be the correct answer. That means क्या होता है, देखिए एज पर सेक्शन 9A एक लीगल एड कमिटी बिठाया जाता है जिधर ऑल द लीगल असिस्टेंस और लीगल एड प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज एज पर सेक्शन 9A ऑफ द एडवोकेट्स एक्ट. सो नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अवर which section of the Advocates Act 1961 deals with the senior and other advocates? Okay, so the options are section 16 of the Advocates Act, section 14 of the Advocates Act, section 13 of the Advocates Act, section 18 of the Advocates Act. So the correct answer would be our option A, that is section 16 of the Advocates Act. Okay, this is very important question because of Advocates Act 1961, that means provision of section 16, there are only two types of advocates. Okay, two types of advocates. जैसे हम लोग को लगता है एक सीनियर एडवोकेट हो सकते हैं और एंड जूनियर एडवोकेट. नो, सो दिस इज एज पर द सेक्शन 16 देयर आर ओनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ एडवोकेट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज सीनियर advocate and second one is other advocate. Okay, so this is the as per section 16 of the Advocate Act 1961. Okay, so as per this section, so this is very important section. So in this case, what will happen? In this case, option A would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Section 25 of the Advocates Act 1961 deals with what? Options are advocates alone entitled to participate, authority to whom applications for enrollment may be made, option C right of pre-audience, and option D stay of order. Okay, so as per section 25 of the Advocates Act deals with what? Authority to whom applications for enrollment may be made. So as per this provision, enrollment may be made to whom? Enrollment may be made to the respective state bar council, to the respective state bar council. Okay, so to the respective state bar council. Okay, so हम लोग आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग आवर LLB हम लोग एनरोलमेंट कहाँ पर करते हैं? जिस भी स्टेट में हम लोग LLB कंप्लीट किया उसी स्टेट के हाई कोर्ट के अंदर हम लोग एनरोलमेंट करते हैं, ठीक है? तो दैट मीन्स टू द स्टेट बार काउंसिल, ठीक है? सो ऑप्शन बी would be the correct answer. Okay, option B would be the correct answer. Now moving to next question. Next question is our punishment of advocates for misconduct. Okay, is provided in which section of the Advocates Act 1961? Options are section 34 of the Advocates Act, section 32 of the Advocates Act, section 35 of the Advocates Act, section 33 of the Advocates Act. So the correct option would be option C, that is section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961. That means अगर कोई भी एडवोकेट कोई भी कुछ मिसकंडक्ट करता है, कोई भी if that advocate breaks any guidelines as provided by the BCI, or anything which is against our ethics, okay, then we that time will be punished as per the provision section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961. So in this case section 35, so in this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, in this case option C would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Next question is our section 42 of the Advocates Act 1961 provides what? Options are power of disciplinary committee, advocates alone entitled to practice, alteration in role of advocates, power of revision. So the correct answer would be here. Option A, that is power of disciplinary committee. So as per section 42 क्या होता है? एक disciplinary committee का formation होता है to deal all the dispute. Okay, case option A would be the correct answer. Okay, so now move to next question. Next question is our which section of the Advocates Act 1961 deal with the Bar Council of India to be body corporate? So options are section 7 of the Advocates Act, section 4 of the Advocates Act, section 5 of the Advocates Act, section 9 of the Advocates Act. So the correct option would be option C, that is sections. So in this case what will happen? Option C would be the correct answer. Now move to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेक्शन 12 ऑफ द एडवोकेट्स एक्ट 1961 डील्स विद व्हाट? ओके, ऑप्शंस आर अकाउंट्स एंड ऑडिट, डिसिप्लिनरी कमिटी, staff of Bar Council of India, and certificate of enrollment. Okay, so the correct option would be A, that is accounts and audit. That means okay, every state bar council is required to maintain books of account. Okay, to maintain all the books of account. So this is given as per the provision of section 12 of the Advocates Act. Okay, so in this case option A would be the correct answer. Okay, in this case option A would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Next question is the which section of the Advocates Act 1961 deals with general power of the Bar Council of India to make rules? Okay, जनरल पावर के कौन से सेक्शन में दिया गया है? जितना भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन बनाता है जनरल पावर कौन सा सेक्शन में दिया गया है? सो ऑप्शंस आर सेक्शन 47 ऑफ द एडवोकेट्स एक्ट 1961, section 49 of the Advocates Act 1961, section 44 of the Advocates Act 1961, and Section 45 of the Acts, Section 1961. Sorry, Advocates Act 1961. So this is as per the Section 49 of the Advocates Act. Okay, so in this case, option B would be the correct answer. Okay, now move to next question and the today's last question. Okay, Section 10, that is the Advocates Act 1961, deals with what? Options are staff of Bar Council, dispute regarding seniority, constitution of committee other than disciplinary committee, and advocates to be the only recognized class of persons entitled to practice law. So, in this case, option C would be the correct answer. That means, as per Section 10 of the Advocates Act 1961, deals with the constitution of committee अदर देन द डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी। पहले सेक्शन में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि एक डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी का फॉर्मेशन होता है टू डील ऑल द डिस्प्यूट्स, ओके, विद इन द लीगल फेटर्निटी, ओके, विद इन द लीगल फेटर्निटी, to deal all the disputes within the legal fraternity, okay, but as per section 10 क्या होता है, एक constitution of other committee apart from discipline committee और भी एक दूसरा कमेटी का भी फॉर्मेशन होता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज as per section 10 of the Advocates Act 1961, okay, so this is for all today. If you liked this lecture, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel.